Hello, guys. Hope all of you are doing fine. Today, I'm going to share some of the helpful resources that has really helped me learn how to code. Also, I'll try to share some of the techniques that I used while learning to code. All of the resources I will talk about at the end, and you will find find all the links in the description box below. Also, do check out my GitHub repo if you want a little bit of coding motivation because I have also developed quite a bit of project which you can definitely take a look at. Coding motivation, right? Now, one, two, three. Number one, pick any programming language of your choice. Yeah. Your choice should be between these three programming languages because they are considered to be the starter programming languages. Number one is JavaScript, two is Python, and three is C. Out of these three, I will recommend JavaScript because it's simple enough. You can learn the fundamentals of programming really well enough in this language, like for loop, like a variable, then data types, what is for loop, what is while loop, what is function, which basically means reusing a code, a technique to reuse a code over and over again using function, and using for loop, we can go through, repeat a code in a slightly different way. You will get to learn about these things as you move on. And the resources that I'll recommend will be coming in step number three. And now, what you should focus in this step is mainly learning the fundamentals and also developing really simple projects like building a clock if you are learning JavaScript, like building a age calculator, like building a driving license checker, and these kind of stuffs. If using if else statements, yeah, that's also a part of coding, fundamental building block of coding. Now, number two, you should really deep dive into building your projects and also learning the advanced concepts of the programming language. Look, if you really want to learn web development, I would recommend you to jump to React after you have learned the fundamentals of JavaScript and also a few of the intermediate concepts like asynchronous JavaScript and all. You can switch to React and try to build out some projects like landing pages, notes app, to-do list. That's what I did, and it really helped me learn more and understand more about the world of coding. Definitely, there's also that framework which I used, which was PHP based. So, PHP was another programming language that I took a little bit of taste later on and used the Laravel framework to build out an application. All right. Also, if you are interested in blockchain, then I would definitely recommend you to at least get basic understanding of the web, at least learn how JavaScript works, because Solidity, which is the language of blockchain, is heavily inspired by JavaScript. So, definitely that will help you there to learn the concepts, extra concepts inside Solidity and blockchain specific concepts. That's what I have done to learn the fundamentals, right? Later on, I want you to gradually increase the level of your projects and also, if possible, share your experiences with others through social channels. That will also be pretty helpful, I guess, both for you and both for others to learn from your projects or something, your experience in general. Fine. Now, the step number three is basically looking into these resources that I will share. Good tutorial, beginner friendly tutorial resources you are going to get through these three YouTube channels. Number one, Code with Harry, which is really great with beginner friendly tutorials on all domains, most of the domains, I would say. Yeah, like web development, he also has Python domain also. He got it, AI domain stuffs and all. It's super interesting. Then I would also recommend checking out freecodecamp, where there are tons, hundreds and thousands of teachers teaching up stuffs, and all for free. It just takes your time, and they are really great content quality. Also, Traversy Media, which is specifically for web development, his crash courses are awesome. So I needed to mention that. Right after that, I will also suggest, anyway, also suggest websites that have really, really helped me in this coding journey, whatever, learning the fundamentals of coding. Hmm. First one was roadmap.sh, where I got to look at so many roadmaps, so many roles that can possibly come out of coding, like yeah, blockchain engineer, smart contract engineer. Yeah, I got to know from that roadmap, and that roadmap is really, really simple with so many links and stuffs, front end development, back end development, and so much of stuffs. Mobile application development, that is super great website. Also, for interactive tutorials, I would recommend you W3 Schools. Remember that name. Really, really great bite-sized tutorial, interactive tutorial are available. And that's really, really simple, simplistic language for beginners. I really enjoyed it, especially their JavaScript and databases one. That was so simple to understand. They really nailed it. Have to give them the credit. Wait, there was another. Yeah, freecodecamp.org. This is also going to be an interactive tutorial where you will also earn certificate if you pass all those projects. Yeah, you are also going to build some projects along the way. So definitely that will help you. Right. That will help you to learn the fundamentals, or even help you when you gradually progress towards advanced level stuff. That will be all for today. And now, today, not today, yeah, all the best. I'm rooting for you. You will definitely learn the fundamentals of code, and my best wishes are with you. Thanks a lot for watching. It means a lot to me. Do share your feedback, how you found this video, and really never mind about all the mistakes I have made. This is just my first video, so yeah, whatever. Yeah. Thanks.